Today is June the 26th. I'm headed to the gym. Gotta do legs 1. My hamstrings are still a slight bit sore from, I guess, when I did the stiff-legged deadlifts on Wednesday. I don't think it's anything that's going to impede me from training. And plus, a lot of my movements today aren't really hamstring focused; they're more quad focused. I try to make them more quad focused. Except the first exercise is a seated leg curl, but that's it. Last night I started on the Austen Lego set, the one that came free with the Daily Bugle. It was free with $150 worth of an order or whatever. They had 3 bags of it out of 5. So if I get time tonight, I might do these last 2. Just depends. Energy levels today are alright. I don't feel super tired. It's not like I have, a ton of energy. I did the elliptical this morning. Other than that, I've just been doing my schoolwork on the computer, and I did a lab that was kind of pointless. I feel like these labs are pointless because they never... I don't know if he's giving me the wrong... I don't know. But half of them, I don't see how they work. Like today, this one, I don't think hardly worked at all. But guess what? At least we tried it. We tried it to our best of our ability. And that's science. Sometimes it ain't gonna work. Sometimes it will. Yeah, gonna get to the gym and work these legs and then that exercise of abs at the end. Just hoping to get a good training session. Maybe once I get in there and start doing something, I'll warm up, feel better. Get a good stimulus in the muscle. Go home and recover. I gotta do some cooking tonight. I gotta cook my meals for the next 2 days. So if I want to build that set, those last 2 bags, I always have to get the other stuff done first. We'll see. It's no priority to get those bags done. So, I got my whole life to do them, honestly, if you think about it. But I got a ton of other sets to do. I got the Durr Burger one. That one won't take long. It's only 100 pieces. The Infinity Gauntlet's 500 pieces, and the Daily Bugle's over 3,000. So, but we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and get off of here and get to the gym. I'll do something with me leaving the gym. Bye. Just finished up at the gym. And guess what I'm going home to do? I say it every day. Every day I go to the gym. I'm going home to eat my post-workout meal and drink my salty water. today was a pretty decent workout or training session. I did the leg extensions. Those felt pretty good. The belt squats, they're kind of fatiguing because past 6 reps, past halfway through the set, it's just a grind. And then after that, I did the leg presses. I felt that good in my lateral quads again today. Adductors were good. And then abs. Abs are abs. It feels like, the first 2 sets feel pretty good on the abs, and after that it kind of gets feels like my lower back's trying to work in as well. And the planks are good. I hold a slight vacuum during those. Those are, they're not the easiest in the world, but they're not the hardest in the world either, because it's just an isometric movement. I filmed myself on the belt squats today because I wanted to see how my form was. Honestly, there's not really much you can mess up on a belt squat, to be honest, because it's, the belt, you're basically pushing with your legs regardless. Your lower back doesn't really get involved much, if at all. So, and surprisingly, my form was better than I thought it was. So that was good. I didn't think it was bad, but I didn't know if I was kind of cheating a little bit. And it's weird, like you think you're like really, really slow, going slow on the last rep or something, and then you look back at the video and you kind of came out of the hole pretty good. So I'll just take it as a perception thing. That leg workout is completed. Next time I do legs is this Monday coming up, 4 days from now. So to be honest, it comes around quick. It's not easy. And then unlike legs too, I don't get as much systemic fatigue from legs 1. Like I still feel pretty decent the day after, the day or 2 after. Legs 2, man, I'm shot by the end of the workout, and I don't feel so good the next day after. And it kind of depends on the second day after. And most of the time I'm sore. My hamstrings was really sore all the way up until today, on legs 1, and I still kind of have a little bit of soreness, but it's nothing painful. It's just very slight. I almost felt like a slight pain in my left adductor today while doing the adductor machine. But I kept going and it stopped. So it must have been just, I don't know, it just needed a little bit of activation. But that is it. Like I said, going home, drinking my salty water, post-workout meal with my teaspoon of salt on it. Gotta cook tonight. That's another thing I gotta do. And then if I have time, I'll build the rest of that Lego set. Got 2 bags. That'd be good to get that done. Now I'm really, after this one's done, I want to make a short. Of me building the set. Like a YouTube short. Because those get a lot of views. Like when I did like a rest day video a while back. You know, it was just me talking for like less than a minute. So it was categorized as a short. And I still posted like it was a video, but it posted as a short. That thing got 124 views. Just me walking around talking. And it wasn't even, like, the screen was tilted. But I'm gonna go ahead and get off of here, and you might see me building a Lego set, or you may not. So, bye. So I just finished with this Jane Austen set, and it was good. It was fun to build. I like building all the little flowers and stuff, you know, with the small pieces, the piano, the bookshelf, the pictures. It's just a really detailed Lego build, and I enjoyed it. So you also got flowers out the window and everything. So not a set that I was too excited to build, because, you know, I like Marvel and, you know, superheroes and Fortnite stuff and stuff like that. But it was a good set, and I enjoyed it. I wouldn't spend $25 on it, but it was a good free set.